Welcome back, everyone. So since the last time I made the go-kart video, I had issues starting this absolute pain in the ass. I was wondering what was going on, because it was just like continuously flooding and like not starting basically. So I pretty much went on the forums and anything that could give me information to see what I could find that will fit and work, like ignition wise. This is the ignition out of this, so it just sits like that. It took me a while to figure out what was wrong with this. Even though it had a bit of spark, it just wasn't strong enough to start this thing. I've seen videos on Facebook and YouTube of other people just like pulling this like with 1 or 2 turns and it would start. So anyway, I did some research and I found out that this coil and condenser and point setup could be found in a Stihl chainsaw. It's a Stihl 077 if I'm not mistaken, but I finally got this, and in all honesty I have never seen, not never seen, but like I haven't seen these post stamps being used in like 15-20 years, so I didn't even know they were still like using these things. So yeah, basically we've got the package now, and I'm going to open it up and see if I actually did order the right part, and if we do, I'm pretty sure we're on the right path with getting this thing started today, hopefully. It's a rotary though, who knows what's going to happen. But basically with my diagnostics was that the condenser was pretty much blown. Apparently if they're just tired, they will not do their job properly. And so I know how I did that as well. Obviously this engine was running before I took it apart. I took it apart to do the welding on the exhaust, and obviously you put the negative terminal on the metal and then do your welding. I'm guessing the welding, when I was doing the welding, it damaged the condenser and the coil pack possibly, just like slightly. So I guess I'm the one to blame, but anyway, we're here today to show you how to get this done, I guess. See if we could get this ship box started and put it back into the go-kart soon. Yeah, let's open the package and let's open it up. Anyway, that's his business card for anyone that wants to contact him. Time to see if my stupid ass ordered the right part. I really hope so. Looks the same. I think we're on the right path with getting this thing started today. Alright, installing time. I've pretty much wired through these cables I need to go in. And that's how it sits. Yeah, that's the for the ground to kill the engine, and that goes to the spark plug. And now I'm just going to bolt this down and we should be good to go and put everything back together. I have drained the fuel out of the tank. I don't know if you can see it, it's pretty dark in there. I genuinely don't know what we were thinking when we used this old stale fuel to try to start a rotary. I'm just going to plug everything back in, put fresh fuel in it, and basically see if it starts. Alright, so I've drained all the fuel out of that now, and today we're using race caster oil Penrite. It's, in my opinion, one of the best you could get out there. I used to put this on my 13B rotary Mazda 323. Ran amazing, smells good, smells beautiful actually. And today what we're doing is 50:1 premix ratio. And we're just going to do 50 mils of fluid. I got the engine closed back up. Alright, this is it. So basically, kind of nervous to start it because I don't want this drill to fly out of my hand and decapitate me pretty much. But anyway, pretty much face the exhaust the other way and facing towards the window because I don't want to get suffocated in here, just in case if it starts. And I guess we're about to find out if it starts. Wish me luck. Yeah! I am so happy right now. Woohoo! I could install it back in the go-kart now and drive the thing.